Dear friends, today let us discuss about the 15 stocks including SBIN, Bharat Dynamics and Colgate-Palmolive will have their dividend split among other changes occurring this week. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. State Bank of India. Share is trading around rupees 821. Company announced a dividend of rupees 13.7. Both the ex-date and record date is fixed as 22nd May 2024. Sula Vineyards Limited. Current market price rupees 507. Company announced a dividend of rupees 4.5 per share. Both the ex-date and record date is fixed as 22nd May 2024. New Time Infrastructure Limited. Share is trading around rupees 54. Company announced a bonus 2:1. That means you will get 2 bonus shares if you have 1 share held with a record date of May 21st. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 21st May. Inox Wind Limited. Current market price rupees 553. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 3:1. That means if you have 1 share of Inox Wind Limited, you will get 3 more shares as bonus. Ex-date is 24th May 2024 and record date is 25th May 2024. Bharat Dynamics Limited. Share is trading around rupees 2440. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 5 shares of Bharat Dynamics, your 5 shares convert to 10 shares. Record date 24th May 2024. Colgate-Palmolive. Current market price rupees 2689. Company announced a dividend of rupees 36 per share. Ex-date falls on 22nd May and record date is fixed as 23rd May. Trent Limited. Current market price rupees 4645. Announced a dividend rupees 3.2 per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 22nd May 2024. Avantel Limited. Share is trading around rupees 119. Announced a dividend of 20 paise per share. Ex-date is fixed as 22nd May and record date is fixed as 23rd May. Ponni Sugars Erode. Current market price rupees 452. Announced a dividend of rupees 7 per share. Both ex-date and record date is fixed as 22nd May 2024. Sheshasai Paper and Board. Current market price rupees 333. Company announced a dividend of rupees 5 per share. Ex-date falls on 22nd May and record date falls on 23rd May. High Energy Batteries India. Current market price rupees 826. Announced a dividend of rupees 3 per share. Ex-date is fixed as 22nd May and record date is fixed as 24th May. Oberoi Realty Limited. Current market price rupees 1736. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2 per share. Ex-date is fixed as 22nd May and record date 23rd May. Great Eastern Shipping Company GE Ship. Current market price rupees 1068. Company announced a dividend of rupees 10.8 per share. Ex-date is fixed as 22nd May and record date 23rd May. Som Distilleries and Breweries. Current market price rupees 306. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 2:5. If you have 20 shares of Som Distilleries, it will convert to 50 shares. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 24th May 2024. Vedanta Limited. Current market price rupees 460. Company announced a dividend of rupees 11 per share. Ex-date is fixed as 24th May and record date 25th May. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.